3 20-minute periods, it's 5-on-5 plus goalies. Hit the puck with your stick and get it into the opposing team's net. But hockey's fast, and there's just so much going on that it can get tough to keep up with everything else that you're watching. In this video, I just want to give more context to any new fans and explain everything that you see when you first tune in to a hockey game. First, we'll go over the arena, then we'll talk about the person. We believe enjoying sports brings communities together. Every NHL team plays in an indoor building. Some call them arenas, some call them centers or places. There's a couple of gardens and one saddle dome. For the purpose of our videos,
Olympics for India, first gold medal in Olympics, okay, 1936. He got the gold medal for India first time. That is the reason why we celebrate the National Sports Day.
Good morning, children. Okay, today what we are observing in the school? Happy National Sports Day to everyone. Okay, today I am going to explain about cricket. Cricket is a team sports. Okay, it is a team sports. It is played by how many teams? 2 teams. It is played by 2 teams. In each team, how many? 11 members will be there. Okay, how many members? 11 members. Okay, then do you know how the cricket ground? Yes. The cricket ground is in oval shape. Okay, in the middle it is in a rectangular shape and it has a 2 sides. Pitches are there. How many pitches? 2 pitches. The pitches are 2. One pitch will be there. In each side, wicket will be kept. Okay, how many wickets will be there? 3 wickets of 2 sets. 3 wickets of 2 sets. Upon that, bells are kept. Okay, upon that, what are kept? Bells. 2 bells. And what the batsman will use? Bat. And he again ball will be used. And he will wear helmets, then gloves.
శుభోదయం పిల్లలు. అందరికీ జాతీయ క్రీడా దినోత్సవం. ఓకే, మన భారతదేశంలో ఎలలేని ఆదరణ పొందిన క్రీడ ఏమిటి? అలానే మన ప్రపంచంలో ప్రఖ్యాతిగాంచిన క్రీడ హాకీ, రైట్? అలానే హాకీని స్త్రీలు పురుషులు కూడా ఆడతారు. అలానే హాకీని 2 జట్లుగా విభజిస్తారు. మన హాకీని ఎన్ని జట్లుగా విభజిస్తారు? 2 జట్లుగా విభజిస్తారు. హాకీ ఆటలో 2 జట్లుగా విభజిస్తారు. ఒక్కొక్క జట్టుకి 11 మంది ఆట.
Celebrating National Sports Day.
Olympic medal in hockey for our country.
Yes. So in remembrance of hockey player Dhyan Chand, on his birthday we are celebrating National Sports Day every year. When did we start celebrating?
2012.
From 2012 we are celebrating National Sports Day. Okay. Till now we have won how many medals? Yes. So many will be there. Till now how many medals we have won? Do you have any idea? Yes, very good. 41 medals we have won in the Olympic Games till now. Okay. So recently, which medal we have won? How many medals we have won? 2024 Paris Olympics in Barcelona. So how many medals we have won? 6 medals. Okay. So India has won medals in many Olympic sports, including
feet, 1 meter under each ball club. Each round of kabaddi is played in turns, and teams alternate between offense and defense. To start the round, the attacking team sends out one player to be the leader. The leader's job is to score points by touching the defending players and escaping past the midline, all while chanting kabaddi, repeatedly out loud. If the leader stops chanting at any point, they are automatically declared out. To score, the leader must touch at least one defending player with their hand, foot, or some other part of